happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Hello and welcome. My name is Melessia, and as always, every weekend I am super excited to have you here on today's cleaning video. So today I'll be bringing you some cleaning motivation and of course some laundry motivation too. 2023 is definitely bringing its feeling of getting everything refreshed, starting off with a clean slate. And here I'm starting off on our patio, lanai. We're actually having some furniture delivered today, so we need to get this patio at least cleaned off some. Not decorating today, but at least getting it cleaned off. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys an update that's coming to my channel, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started right in today's video. Okay, you guys, well, sorry, so the carbon smoke detector is going off. So this is my current living room, you guys. I have no furniture in here, but by the time that you guys see this video, I should have, our new couch should be here. But this is the current state. This is what it looks like. Like nothing. The pen thing is over there, so we gotta get that out of here. But I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna go through right now and I'm gonna clean all of the wainscoting here while there's nothing there. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be cleaning, because that is what I'm doing. So this was behind the previous couch that was here, all that dust and I don't know, dirt, I don't know what that is, but so that is what I'm going to be cleaning. Can you guys see that? I don't know if it's focusing. There it goes. So it's all the way around. So I'm gonna go through real quick and clean all of this out real quick before, clean this out real quick before the new set comes. So that is what we're working on today. And just so you guys know, look here, my kitchen is a mess. If you guys have never seen my kitchen a mess, this is messy. This is crazy, ridiculously messy, but we're gonna be cleaning all this up today. And that's what we're doing. I have boxes over there in the corner because I want to end up emptying all this kitchen out because we're having this kitchen done as well. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys, that's what I'm working on. So yeah, the doorbell just rang, so the furniture guys are here making the delivery. So you're gonna see them coming in, bringing all the furniture, and they're gonna be walking through, taking stuff to the patio, because we also got purchased some new patio furniture, because as you can see in the previous clips, the furniture we had was just really old. We've had it probably since we moved in this house. So we are definitely taking that and putting it out on the curb, or I don't know, to the dump, whichever. And they are gonna be walking in here, taking furniture out there as well. Okay guys, so this is the next day after they delivered the couch and everything out on the patio. These are some boxes that was delivered probably a week ago, and I'm just now getting to them, a delivery from Sam's. And it's just probably mostly laundry detergent and things like that. So I'm going to pick these boxes up, take them all in the kitchen because my laundry room is close by my kitchen. And as I mentioned to you guys earlier in the video, I do have an update that's coming to my channel, and it is, drum roll, we are doing renovations here in our house, and we're starting here in the kitchen, you guys. We're going to be gutting out our entire kitchen. I mean, including like cabinets coming down, new countertops, new backsplash. We're also doing new flooring throughout the entire house, minus the bedrooms, because I'm sure if you've seen, there's several different spaces in my house that have different floors. So since we're opening all this space up, we're gonna have the same flooring throughout the whole entire house just to make it more consistent. So I am super excited. And I'm getting double ovens finally, because I've wanted double ovens ever since we built this house. So I am finally getting them. We thought about selling the house so many different times, but just the way the market is, I think it's just best right now that we just stay in our house and we just put the money into our house and just renovate it and update everything. What I'm showing you guys now is what all that was in the boxes that I just brought in here. And it was the Downy Stoppables, the borax. I put a scoop of that like in every load. These Honest Juice, I get those for Chase because they're less sugar and just something for him to drink on besides water. We do drink a lot of water in here, but these are like a treat for him to be able to have juice at different times throughout the week. So, and then of course Clorox, not the wand, but the refill pieces that go on the wand to clean the toilets. I don't know why I waited so long, but I cannot live without these things. I think they're the best. So I'm going to go through. So if you haven't purchased these before, I definitely highly suggest that you guys give these a try. So now I'm going to put all this stuff away. I really just want to throw it in the pantry and in the laundry room, but unfortunately I can't, because we need to start packing. So I need to, like I said before, pack everything up. Don't you guys feel like that sometimes? You just don't want to put things away and you just want to just throw it all somewhere until you have a chance to get back to it. Comment below and tell me who else feels that way. You guys here, I never even dreamt that it was so much stuff in this kitchen, and really you just don't ever know until you have to pack everything up. And I know that we bring things into this house little by little, pretty much probably every day something new comes in here, if it's being either shipped and delivered or we actually bring it in individually. But it's just so much stuff, and the kitchen is always the worst. But anyway, this is a great time whenever this is all done for us to declutter and organize things. So maybe in the near future there'll be some decluttering and organization videos coming to my channel. I finally got a little bit of help from Chase. He's in here helping me pack up some stuff, so it's always nice to have him coming in to help me out.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
So you guys, I'm breaking away from the kitchen for a few minutes because I've got to get all of our laundry done, because as I said before, the guys are going to be here, I think, sometime next week. and they're going to be removing my washer and dryer out of here for probably a month, which I can't even imagine, I know, but they're going to be ripping all the towel out of here and putting down the new towel. As I said, it's going to be consistent throughout the whole house. So that means that all of the laundry has to get done because we're going to be without a washer and dryer, and I guess maybe have to go to the laundromat maybe a couple times, but we will see how that works out. But let's move on into this laundry and get some laundry motivation going for you guys. So comment below, tell me what you're working on while what you're doing while you're watching this video. And also, I think it's a great time on this channel. You will find home decor, cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, DIYs, pretty much anything that is home related you'll find on my channel. So I would absolutely love to have you. So if you want to hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss any uploads from me, I would really, really appreciate it and would love to have you. And also you can follow me on Instagram. That way you can see updates sooner than the video coming out once a week, because I do post on Sunday. And I'll put my Instagram information down below. It's actually LofgrenLife. I'll also put it here on the screen for you. And if you can give me a follow over there, I would really appreciate it.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not. Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in. Please stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having it just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work.
All right, well, that is all for today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you tackle some things around on your to-do list, or if you're simply just watching for relaxation, then I hope this video brought you that. I can never thank you guys enough for all of your continuous support, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye.
I don't want nobody stabbing me with love.